Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have this red smoked out winged liner look. So if you want to know how to recreate this look, then please keep watching. The palette I'm using today is a Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette, and I'm taking the shade Freshly Picked. And I'm going to be applying this into my crease with a fluffy large blending brush, going back and forth, getting the whole entire crease. Next, I'm taking this Peaches and Cream shade and I'm just lightly applying this all over the lid, just to even out the lid. Now taking the Maybelline gel liner, I'm going to start on my eyeliner. I'm first concentrating on creating a straight line across my lash line. And then from the corner of my eye, I'm going to extend the line out and then extend another line out to join it, creating a triangle shape and then filling the line in. Then after when you've done this, you can neaten up the line. Now taking this peach sangria colour and I'm applying this above my eyeliner. And now I'm going to take a bit of a matte black eyeshadow on an angled brush and smudge the gel liner in with the peach sangria colour. This look isn't supposed to be a neat look, it's supposed to be a smudgy look, so it's okay if it's not perfect. I'm now going to take a black Kohl pencil and line my waterline. However, the bottom waterline, we're going to leave a little gap in the centre. So just do the edges at the bottom. And here I'm just taking my gel liner again and creating an inner corner point. Then with a pencil brush, I'm taking that sangria colour and smudging this in my lower lash line. I'm going to curl my lashes before I apply the Ardell 811 mink lashes. And to stick my lashes on, I use duo glue. For glitter today, I'm using this one by NYX in the shade Red, and I'm just applying this in the gap we've left in the centre. Before applying my glitter, I did use the NYX glitter primer because this is a loose glitter, so it needs something to stick to. And then finally, I'm just going to use a bit more of that sangria colour under my lower lash line. Then to finish the look off, I'm just applying some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed watching this. All the products I've mentioned are listed below. I hope you all enjoy your weekend and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!